Hello, welcome to Vue-Matrix. This is Anand Chittur, and I'm going to quickly show you today how you can access basic features of the system like logging in, logging out, changing your password, modifying your time zone, viewing your license information, accessing your help while you're in the system, etc. Now, the way you get to this login page is by clicking on your website URL that was provided to you, and basically whether you enter as an admin or a project manager, as a portfolio manager, or as a team member. Those are the four roles in the system. It doesn't matter because this functionality is going to be the same. It's common for all the roles. So I'm going to log in as a project manager in this case, and you should quickly get access to the dashboard. And the first thing I'm going to do is change my password, because that's the first thing you do when you enter the system. You may not have to do that over and over again, but it's always good practice to modify your password regularly. So the way you do that is by coming into Tools and then clicking on Modify Password. You enter your new password and you confirm it. Make sure the two match and hit Save. The next thing I want to show you is how you modify your time zone, because the system has certain communication mechanisms, notification mechanisms, reminders that go through based on your profile time zone. So if supposing you're in the central zone, I would want to put that on the system. So you go into your tools area, modify time zone, and you get to the screen and then click the time zone you are currently in. I am in Des Moines, Iowa, so I'm going to click Central Standard Time, hit save, and that should be your time zone, which is updated now. The next thing is to show you which version are you using, what is your license information. So again, you go to Tools menu and then click on View License Information. That should tell you your site name, that should tell you your license key, which normally you don't have to manually use ever. The plan you're using, because we offer 3 plans at this time. The maximum allowed open or active projects for this plan. In this case it's unlimited. Whether you can modify your email server or not. Most of the time by default it's no, but you can get that changed if you need to. What was the registration date, what is the expiry date. If it's a trial version, you'll have an expiry date, and then what the version number is. So these are the basic items. You can actually access the help manual online either via an HTML document or via PDF. So PDF can be downloaded and printed off your system. HTML you can click and access, and I'll show you quickly how to do that. Let's access HTML help first, and this is more of a comprehensive help. So you have the HTML area here. You can access, everything is clickable. So you can, if you want to know what's your quick start and workflow, you can just click on this. And if you really want to know what your admin role needs to do, you can come into your admin role, click on Manage Users if you want to find out how you want to access that functionality and use it. So basically pretty simple click, click, click format. Go back to the website so that way you can see how the PDF comes across as well. So if you click on I want to see your PDF help and download that automatically downloads, and then you can obviously print it out or just read through if you want to and save it for later use. It's actually pretty user friendly. The HTML help is highly recommended because then you can go in and click, 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 and you're there. Most of the links hopefully they're intuitive, and they should get you access to whatever functionality you need within a click or two. So here is the PDF. It just came across as a PDF. It's a 75 or 80 page document, so just caution before you kill those trees. Go back to the site, and then the final thing I wanted to show you is how to log out. By the way, logging in will tell you exactly what you're logged in as, your login role and your username, and then log out is right here. So hit log out and you should be out of the system.